There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding, and I need you now. And if I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe, and I'd climb every mountain, swim every just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna feel another. I don't wanna come back. You are the reason. Closer, just a little closer. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight. Climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. Please come.
birthday, Amang. Amang ko, ikaw ko na love namin. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng madaming birthdays and more good health. Proud ko kami, Amang, sa inyo. Sa inyong mga anak niyo na magkakapatid. Nung maliliit po kami, ikaw ang naghahanap buhay para sa amin. Namamasa ka ng kalesa, with kabalyo. Nagtatanim ng mga gulay sa bukid at sumasama ka sa bayo ng mga hayop para lang ay pambili sa mga pangangailangan naming magkakapatid. Super sipag mo, Amang namin. Buti na lang, naisipan kong makapag-abroad para kahit pa paano ay makatulong ako sa inyo ni Inang. Amang na nagpalaki at nagpaaral sa 8 kong kapatid. Amang, salamat kay Lord natin sa biyaya sa ating pamilya. Amang, enjoy your special day and happy 47th anniversary sa inyo ni Ina. More anniversary sa inyo ni Ina. Happy 20th anniversary, Daddy Ronaldo! Ronaldo Zambrano, thank you sa lahat-lahat and God bless us always. Mwah! Happy 16th birthday, Renz! Renz, where are you? Sana napasaya namin kayong lahat dyan. From Hong Kong, Singapore with love, Lorna, Cathy, and Liana. Ay, may any message po para sa inyong mga anak na nagbigay ng surprise?
Ito, Amang! Ito! Ito!
Maraming salamat, mga anak ko, hindi na pinababayaan.
Ay, wow!
Salamat po.
Ayan! Red talaga! Red! 500! Higher! Higher! Any message sir kay ma'am?
Salamatan po mo.
Sige pa, sir! Okay.
Sak nga pan nakayanak mo, Amang, ikong happy 69 birthday, Amang. Sapay la kumata naragsak ka. Dahito nga aldaw nga pa nakayanak mo, Amang. Salamat ti amin nga kaanos mo, ingana ubing kami, ingana dakkel kami, makitang tangdan kang agarado, Amang. Proud kami nga kakabagis ta nagsingpot ka, Amang. Intagtaguyod na kami nga kakabagis nga siya. Iso nga dakkel nga paspasalamat mi kini Apo Diyos, Amang, tas ikati naging amami. Tas tamot ti panagsakripisyo ti panagbiag, Amang. Salamat mat kini Apo tayo nga Diyos ta nakaya amin. Happy 47th anniversary pala sa inyo ni Inang. And God bless you always, Amang. We love you so much both. Hal po kayo ni Inang.
Hi, Amang. Happy 69th birthday. Renz, happy birthday. Manong Gili, happy anniversary. Kuha kayo manang.
There's more to life
Amang Kinina,
than just
happy
how I
anniversary.
feel.
Amang, sapay na
All
kuha na kayo
that
ng
I'm
nagini.
worth
Hinted ni kanyang.
is right before my eyes. All that I live for, though I didn't know why.
Talaga, ka laon unay. Makakatkatawa no dagiti nga memories ket kwa di ubing kami nga lulukon naket no tumakiji no angke isu ti ropak prak. So ay makatkatawa ak ngem tatan naragsak kami ta nakita mi nga naragsak kayo mutten ken kay mi ipadama ore basit laeng ti birthday ken mahal na mahal ka namin, Amang Inang.
Sa aming dakilang pinakamamahal na ama. Happy 69 birthday, Amang. We love you so much. Mahal na mahal ka namin magkakapatid. Wala man kami sa araw ng iyong kaarawan, Amang. Sa simpleng sorpresa. Sana mapasaya ka namin. At sa simpleng sorpresa na yon, doon namin maipadama yung pagmamahal namin sa'yo, Amang, kahit nasa malayo kami. Gagawin namin lahat, maipadama lang namin yung pagmamahal namin sa'yo, Amang at Inang. Mahal na mahal kayo namin, nila ate. Sana magustuhan mo, Amang, yung sorpresa namin. Enjoy your birthday, Amang. We love you so much. Sa inyo ni Amang at Inang, happy 47th anniversary. Inang, Amang, we love you so much. At sa aking pamangkin, happy 16th birthday, Renz. Sana magustuhan mo rin yung sorpresa ni ate sa'yo. Kunting sorpresa. Binata ka na. Pakabait ka. Huwag pasaway. At sa'yo, ate, at kay Kuya Jerry, happy 20 years anniversary, ate. Yun lang, ate. Enjoy your birthday, Amang. We love you so much. See you soon, Amang. Mayayakap ko na kayo ni Inang. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Salamat kay Inang sa pag-aalaga sa aking anak. Salamat sa sakripisyo, Inang. Mayayakap ko na kayo. Pati ang aking anak. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Enjoy your birthday, Amang. Maging masaya ka sana sa araw ng iyong kaarawan.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together.